Okay, and we are filming live. I have my cameramen back, thank goodness, because they film better than I do. We have two teams here. We have a 6th grade team and we have a 6th grade team. But we were so shocked by last week's 7th grade disaster, I brought in my 8th grade goats to help out, okay? So 8th graders, raise it up. Raise your hands so they see you. Whoop, let's see. What did I say? Do we sit in a professional kitchen? Yeah. No. That's right. Put my yearbook down. Or your yearbook. It could be yours or mine. Okay. Then 6th grade teams. Hurry up. Introduce yourself. Go.
My name is Gideon.
You.
My name is Dominic. Diego.
Gio.
Raziel.
Gibe. ¿Qué pasa? ¿Dónde? Nombre.
My name is Tyler.
Okay.
Jesucito.
Jaime.
Did you like my Spanish skills? Okay, wait. Let's go back. I have a follow-up question. What's your name?
Gio.
Did you turn in a book today?
Yeah, I think.
Follow me, cameraman. Follow me, cameraman. I'm sorry. Gio, is this the book you turned in today? Do you think Gio's going to pay for this book? Yes, Gio's going to pay for the book. Okay, anyways, back to the cooking channel. By the way, all books we're doing the library on Friday, so you're going to pay for the books if they don't get them back next week. Okay, let's cook. Are we ready to cook? Did your 8th graders give you good advice?
Yes.
Are you ready to rock and roll? Sure. Okay, dig in. Let's go. Get your supplies. Knives. Film the action. Zoom in on what you think is cool. I like how Julia was getting...
Not a lot.
Yeah, okay.
No, porque la tenemos que echarle la.
Our video's running. Yeah. Do you know how to speak Spanish?
I do.
Say something Spanish to the camera.
Absolutely not.
Okay. Did you plan to take your CBC yesterday?
I was in ISS yesterday.
Oh, good Lord. Cameraman, snotty man.
Stop.
Are you nice now?
You got that decent?
I don't know what they're doing
Yeah.
down here. I don't know.
Ugh.
Are you helping out? What you tell them to do?
Dale por unos minutos. Hay que verlo cada vez.
Did you separate it in bigger slices?
No le puse echar salida.
Julian, you're helping them?
Oh my goodness. Did you see that? Did you see just chocolate over?
Yeah.
Okay, I don't even know what's going on here.
Yeah. Okay, but like that's good though.
Okay, it's true. Okay. Okay. Zaire, are you helping? Or are you just judging? Okay. What are you gonna do? Okay.
So, you helping or you eating?
I'm eating. Okay.
Oh, whoa.
I think Tyler might be out of control. Tyler, you doing good?
Hey, come on.
Okay.
See that?
I see it.
Check it out. It's gonna be hella hot.
Ready? There, let me see.
Let's see that. Plate?
Yeah.
This is a low budget show.
Oh.
Okay, it's fine. Zero on the floor. Okay.
Yeah, put it in. No, I was just kidding. Don't listen to me.
I don't know. What's that? Okay, fine. Yeah, don't you, what are you doing?
Because it's like
Butter.
I don't know what they're
we
doing.
know. Hey, put this one on top since we're putting on marshmallows.
We're gonna put chocolate in there.
Right now?
I like how they talk. I like how you guys are all. I love it. Good.
Hey, hay que echarle chocolate a los marshmallows allá.
Yeah.
I like Spanish. I don't understand.
Ya lo voy a cerrar.
Say chocolate in Spanish.
Go ahead.
Say chocolate in Spanish. I like it.
Waffle.
Are you helping?
Espérate, todavía le falta.
Juro que le falta.
I don't think I should cop that. Okay.
I smell peanut butter.
Yeah, I was gonna do that. It's not gonna suck, bro.
What the hell?
Alright, Gio, you're running.
Who we serving this to?
It's not yet.
Oh, I feel bad.
More marshmallows on it, look!
Oh. Yo, you gotta cook that more, bro. That could be good, but I don't know.
Thank you. Sale con buenas
¿Unos cuantos? ¿5, no?
Mira.
Okay, what's these guys doing? Let's see.
I can't open the jelly.
What are we thinking?
Bro, they cooked it before even putting anything on it.
No, because if we
Really?
say it, they're gonna take our video. You know what
I think they're done.
Are you done? Okay, we're right here. Okay, here's the final product. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Film the chef.
Yeah, okay, we got this.
Okay, okay, nice. Okay, very good. Okay, Tyler, explain to us what you did.
I first do like to put some of this.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Yep.
And then I put it in here.
Okay.
And I put some of this.
Okay.
And then I put some of this cereal.
Okay.
And I put some marshmallow and this some on the top and like a sandwich.
I like it. Okay, good job. Okay, how are we doing over here?
Not good.
Almost done?
What's wrong with your team?
Okay.
What's wrong with you? Zaire, you're doing absolutely nothing. Yo, miss, I'm doing a bad job right
I
now.
think you're doing a great job. I think you're doing fantastic. I like how they talk and strategize and work together as a team. Good
I don't think I'm gonna
teamwork.
record that no more.
Good teamwork. Okay, yeah. We're all literally. No, wait. No. Are you gonna put more? Okay.
What we doing here?
I don't know.
Oh, don't be recording.
Okay, ready?
Don't be recording that. What? Where's you going?
Bro,
What's
chill
up?
out.
What's up, bro?
No,
What's up?
be my cameraman.
Do we have any plates? Do we have any plates?
Nope.
This is your plate.
I see him.
This? That?
Yo.
Solo ponte.
Hey, no cussing, bro.
This is a G-rated show, by the way.
I didn't cook.
There's little kids watching this.
There's little kids in there. Oh, okay. I don't know. Okay.
What are you doing?
What are you doing? Okay, I know. Okay.
Miss, we need him.
Yes.
Oh my god.
Where's Jimena? Okay, you have 20 seconds. 17.
This is the one.
No, put it in chocolate.
Okay.
This team is
Okay,
losing.
up here. Okay, we're not done. Okay.
Oh my god.
Right here. Okay. Okay. Explain to us what you did.
Sandwich.
Okay. Okay. Well, I don't think we caught that again. Okay. Explain to us what you did.
Sandwich.
Okay. Fine. We'll just go with sandwich. They a sandwich. They a sandwich.
Bro, copy.
Copy,
Yeah,
yeah.
they copy. And you know what? I have to say, before we choose any winners, this is the most entertaining, energetic group. I like how you guys all talk to work together. I don't know if my 8th graders really helped. I mean, over on this side. I'm not on this side. I don't know. Okay. And cut.
Jocelyn is not here.
So we'll start with your, because you have your lovely. Are we ready to go? I just want to
Yeah.
make sure.
Can we back up real quick?
Tyler, he's professional. Team 1, Tyler, go ahead and explain what you did.
So I do some type of sandwich. I put
Cereal.
Yeah. And I put some chocolate on it and marshmallows.
And they worked together as a team. Amazing. Okay, you only need 1 fork and knife there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Miss, hold on.
Phillips?
Miss Phillips,
Can I go with her?
you're the
need
new
you.
principal. You have to
get her.
partake in this. Let's go.
Ooh.
Come on.
Rudy's involved. I'm
I'm sorry.
He does a really good job of filming. Okay,
I get
so
distracted
which one
in
is
front of
our
the
team 1?
This is
So
team
this
1.
is my 6th graders.
Okay.
And Tyler just explained that it's a sandwich with cereal in the middle, a little chocolate, and marshmallow on the top.
What kind of cereals in there?
Pop. Corn pops.
Okay.
So we each try a piece.
Okay.
You ready?
I don't know if I have. Okay, thank you. Okay, let's go. Okay, we're gonna be professional. Look at Mrs. Phillips. It's very professional. Okay.
Okay. You know, 'cause this is gonna have to continue next year.
Okay. Especially with good teams like the 6th grade team.
I mean, they worked really well as a team, I heard.
And they did a video in bilingual
Make
Spanish.
sure you get a marshmallow in there.
Okay, have to get a marshmallow. Is that chocolate sauce? on top?
Yes, chocolate sauce on top. And then we try it. And we tell
Do you know how to say chocolate in Spanish?
chocolate. Yeah, ready, set, go. Ooh, is there peanut butter in there too?
It's peanut butter. It's a spin on peanut butter and jelly. Okay. We should have. Should have actually had peanut. Okay.
No, I have no peanut
The
allergy.
thing, I'm not allergic to peanuts.
Too late now. Okay. Okay. Other team. Where's my other team? Okay, right here. Here's my other team. Now they originally when I asked them what it was, you told me it was a. Explain to me what you did, and you said.
Sandwich.
Okay. But go ahead and give me a little bit more elaborate explanation. What'd you do here?
So like what we did, we just cooked it, and then on the second one, we put like marshmallows so it can melt on it and like get a little bit of crust, and then at the end, we like cut it open and we put chocolate in there and some peanut butter.
Yeah. Okay.
So it's like a pocket, like a hot pocket with
Yeah,
the chocolate
yeah.
and peanut butter in there.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
This is what I do every Thursday, just so you're clear.
Last week was a disaster, so you're glad you're.
It was not that bad.
It was disaster.
It just nothing was cooked.
There might be peanut butter in the middle if you want some.
All right, hold on. I gotta get a marshmallow too. You know, you gotta have the marshmallow.
All the food groups.
Yeah.
The elf
I think you dropped the
food groups.
marshmallow.
Oh my goodness.
What do you think? Oh, but no, okay.
Tyler's like, no.
Why?
Why do you say that?
Okay.
You never know.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Ready?
Go.
Oh no.
There goes the carpet.
There's actually jelly in this one.
It's paper and jelly. Okay. Maybe.
Your team.
No honey. We ran out.
Of your honey.
Yeah.
I've been using some of
I
it.
know where to find some.
Bro, if we win,
Okay.
All right, I have my decision made.
I
Okay.
have my decision made.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Okay.
Point to the one. 1, 2, 3.
Oh!
let me be the breaker. Let me be the breaker.
No, that's not fair. You're the one that made it.
So Rudy, do you know who's competing next week? Miss Stackerberry.
And
She's
Miss
going to compete
Jocelyn.
against you know who? You guys.
Well, that's easy.
Bring it.
Should we have our 6th graders be the 3rd team? Both
No.
of them together?
No.
There's a lot of energy here. I say yes. I say yes. Okay. Split decision. Nice work, you guys. We're going to go back and make some time for yourself.
Hey, no tiebreaker? Tiebreaker. Miss Katana. Let's go get Miss Katana.
Miss Katana won't eat real food.
Oh.
No, she will not do this.
She eats like a little bird.
Yeah.
Also,
Okay.
she doesn't do this. She
Did you